In this demonstration, Dr. Walsh is going to show us how to foam roll the muscles of the rotator cuff and the upper lat. She's going to come down with the back side of that shoulder positioned on the roller. She's going to roll just a small area from the top of that lat insertion right out to the back of the rotator cuff. Like the quadratus lumborum, this is a small roll. There's not much area to it. She can give it 3 or 4 slow passes right through there, and any tender spots she can just rock back and forth on. Now, an alternative to this, because it's such a small area to roll, is she can keep her body relatively stationary. That foam roller is hitting her right at the attachments of the rotator cuff, and in order to get in there a little bit better, she can just rock her body back and forth. So she's doing more of the motion, not the roller. And she can rock back and forth 3 or 4 times, and then just reposition the roller so it hits a different area of that rotator cuff in the back of the shoulder, and just rock back and forth again.